You are staring at a stuck bolt or peeling off old trim and you need heat. The choice between a heat gun and a blowtorch can make or break your repair. Choosing the wrong tool will either waste your time or melt your car parts into a puddle. Let us talk about the heat gun first. This tool pushes hot air and is perfect for precision jobs where open flames are too risky. You want to use a heat gun for things like heat shrink tubing, removing adhesive badges, or softening stiff interior plastics. The controlled temperature prevents collateral damage to surrounding wires or paint. However, a heat gun has its limits when dealing with heavy mechanical repairs. If you have a rust-welded suspension bolt, blowing hot air on it will not expand the metal fast enough. The heat gun simply cannot deliver the rapid thermal shock needed to break rust bonds. You will just end up with a very warm, very stuck piece of metal. This is exactly where the butane or propane torch becomes your best friend in the garage. A torch delivers intense, concentrated open flame directly to the problem area. By heating a stuck nut until it glows dull red, you force the metal to expand and crush the rust, holding it tight. Once it cools slightly, the fastener will spin right off. But you must respect the destructive power of a torch. An open flame will quickly ignite leaking fluids, melt nearby wire harnesses, and instantly destroy rubber bushings. You must always use a heat shield and keep a fire extinguisher nearby when working under the hood or chassis. Situational awareness is mandatory when using fire. To summarize the rule of thumb for your garage projects: grab the heat gun for plastics, adhesives, wiring, and anything delicate that needs a gentle warm-up. Reach for the torch only when you are fighting severely rusted metal fasteners in a safe, fire-resistant area. Using the right heat source saves both your time and your vehicle.